Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special toy, Thomas the Train, which is also a very popular cartoon character. Now let's unbox this super cool toy and see how it turns out. It is battery operated and can move around on its own and comes with an easy on-off switch. This train is perfect for kids 2 years and above. With this train, you don't need to stop every time it hits the wall. When hitting obstacles, the train can turn automatically with the light flashing brightly, accompanied by wonderful music. The train will swing with the music, and your kid will feel the fun of the game. Stay tuned for more wonderful videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.